My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe. This vehicle has done just under 46,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. On the steering wheel, we can see that we have cruise control as a feature. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights, and a keyless ignition. On the screen, we can get quick access to our settings, information, navigation, and Bluetooth. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Also have heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that the Santa Fe comes with 7 seats. As well as a panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.